Hey sis, how you doing? I hope today you are feeling blessed and not stressed. I could not get the camera set up quick enough to show you this cutie right here. I found this quilted denim bag at Shoe Carnival yesterday, girl, for $34. It is giving me all the quilted Denim Tabby feels for way less than I am comfortable paying retail. Now, you know the power of a good SLG and accessories. And when I tell you that this cosmetic case and continental wallet from Coach Outlet, girl, that I bought a few seasons ago, gave this bag the structure that it needed to be extra cute. Oh, yes. And okay, let me just say that I have really been living in my Rhea backpack for way too long. It is really a favorite at this point, but for the sake of this video, I decided to unpack her and see how much can fit inside this cute denim bag. Now remember, the reason why I used the cosmetic case was to give this bag structure. Now there's a whole lot more room in there after putting this in here. You know, I threw my keys in the zip back pocket in this bag, and I always walk with my little Bible. And fun fact, this mini Bible that I got from Barnes & Nobles is practically the size of my iPhone. Now, look at this bag. Yes, it's bulky. That doesn't bother me at all because it is denim and it is fabric. It is supposed to be squishy, but girl, what took this bag to the next level is the chain that I used from my Cassie 19. And I'm really loving how this looks without the hardware on the front. You know, the leather seat, I actually like this better. I know. And the stitching looks good. I like the contrast of the dark thread against the light denim, girl. This bag is giving me the Coach Quilted Tabby vibes. And if you like it too, all I want you to say in the comments is, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. I love the fact that the branding is small and it's on the back of the bag. So, you know, nobody has to know. And if they do, so what? You're saving money. Anyway, go to the Shoe Carnival site for this bag because it's not on the Steve Madden website, and it's also cheaper on the Shoe Carnival website. So comment below and let me know what you think. Bye.